wrap that thing around the pole, make sure your camera's running, because I need a viral video.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammerdown Motorsports. Today, this is gonna be vlog 2 of kind of my December, just whatever is going on today, basic kind of thing. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting the Mud Mouse on the lift, and I got some wheel spacers for it because, well, the little S10 that's up there, it has some 31-inch tires, which are totally destroyed. It does have some pretty cool wheels, and I wanted to see how they would look on the Ford, but they're a different bolt pattern. So I got some adapters. Hopefully they're gonna fit, and then we can put those wheels on that truck, and if they work out, then we can get some better tires and actually make that thing into a bit of a mud machine, and I think it's gonna work out pretty awesome. So it said it had a low battery, but it did end up starting. Oh. All right, take 2. Cold weather and high performance builds. Sometimes they don't work together as well as you might think. Nice got the valves open. I've been there for like 2.5 weeks. I still have not found E85 anywhere, which is fine. The car's just been sitting at Steve's place anyway, but I think I might know it's wrong to have it. Really? Yeah. We still, so if you haven't seen my channel, go check it out if you want to. We're still building this thing, so there's still more stuff coming. Like there's like 2 parts in the car I still need to put on, but I don't have a house yet. I'm kind of homeless. So if you want to subscribe to my channel and post notifications turned on, that would help me to be non-homeless. All right, so we're basically doing 2 things at once. We're gonna be checking out Jack's car because he's got a little bit of vibration in his driveline. We kind of want to figure out what's going on with that, so you can order a drive shaft or whatever the case may be. Well, it is a Ford, yes. It is a Ford. And well, how many miles you got on that now?
Boosted wise, like 3,500.
3,500 boosted miles.
Yeah, so 8,400 total miles.
So you got to find the weak spots. And
oh yeah, especially at 1,000 wheel horsepower, you got to find it.
Yeah, soon. And we don't want to find weak spots like staying mode. Sorry about your luck, man. That one hurts my heart to watch, honestly.
Cunning, hey, Cunning, you know I love you, man.
Oh, uh-oh. We blew something, bro. We blew something, bro.
That one sucks. I really hope you figure out what went on with that one, because that was catastrophic. But either way, we're going to see what we can figure out with yours. We're going to do the whole wheel thing with the truck, and we're probably going to drive through the bush and maybe hopefully make part of a mud hole. I don't know. We're going to do some fun stuff, so definitely stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna try to find the vibration on Jack's car. He's gonna follow in his truck. I'm gonna take the car for a rip for the first time in a Mustang since, well, I was gonna buy one when I bought my Camaro, and then I decided to get the Camaro. That's kind of how that worked out, but that was only a GT, and this is a GT350R with 2 turbos. Should be fun.
Do not spin out and hit people.
I thought these ones don't do that.
No, you gotta be careful. This thing you'll get crowd control like a mother. So my advice to you, if it feels too much power for you, because I know it's going to be that way, push the clutch in. You'll be all right. You don't have to have any. I
know I drive Chevys, but
I do too. But if you are committed and you want to wrap that thing around the pole, make sure your camera's running, because I need a viral video. Okay?
Definitely. Hopefully the GoPro survives.
Yeah. If the GoPro survives the crash, we'll be in good shape. Make a good viral video. Everything's good. COVID free.
We could pay for 2 or 3 of these things.
Yeah, exactly.
Hopefully I live.
Yeah, but I'm still, the jury's still out on all that too.
Yeah, we don't know what's going to happen. That's kind of the spice of life.
That's the spice, exactly. I don't know about the, well, I'll say spice of life, but I don't mean spice.
Okay, so the thing's ready to go. You can push it. It's all good.
Yeah.
Valves are open.
I got to loosen the overboost. No, I mean, it's they've set the overboost.
Yeah, just set it up the way you want it, because I'm all new to this whole turbo life.
Oh, yeah. It's fun, though, once you get used to it.
Oh, I imagine. All right, so we're on R888s, so these are definitely not ideal for, I guess, inclement weather. We do have dry roads, but it is cold. So, yeah, get these tires a little bit of heat in them, and we'll be able to actually see if we can throw some power down to the ground on this car. Right now, just kind of babying it, getting a little bit used to what's going on with the whole turbo setup and all that kind of stuff. And like I said, just getting some heat in these tires just so we don't end up going to spin class. And yeah, we don't want to do any Mustang things, that's for sure. But my first time in a GT350R at all. So, I mean, hey, why not? Yeah, we just got a little taste. Yep, I just heard a little spool and I was just like, whoop, and I barely touched it. And it's a good thing I backed out of it because, well, we got a Honda in front of us and they're going, well, 10 miles under the speed limit like usual. All right, so we got away from all the slow people, and this thing is pretty incredible. Once you get on those, you get past like 4,000 RPM, this thing starts to spool, and you want to be going in a straight line. Woo! Yep.
Hazard reported ahead.
Twin turbos are fun. They're a lot of fun. I better slow down so Jack can catch up. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, there we go. I can honestly say I'm not afraid of this car anymore. That was a good one. That was a very good one. We definitely went up to 55 miles an hour like that. Wow. I like it. I like it a lot. And I know I'm probably shifting early and all that kind of stuff, but I'm sure there's a whole lot more in it. But for just a little bit of a fun rip, definitely a good time. All right, so we got the car up here on the lift. You can see all the work that's been done here. We've got the turbos right underneath, pretty much right around the bell housing area. And yeah,
all the headers or the turbo manifolds, it's all custom. So all the custom headers, cold side piping, charge piping, everything on this car is custom. There's a really good looking evap system on the car, catch can system that was custom made for the car too. So there's a lot of custom stuff in it. The turbos themselves are air cooled, so they're Comp's air cooled turbo setup. They are 6467s. I was the first one on the internet to go with them. So all it is, there's no oil lines or liquid lines. All it is a proprietary grease you pump into it every 3,000 miles. And this car was serviced right before I left for Texas to here. So she's rocking and rolling, loving the cold weather. But yeah, this has been a fun build for sure.
Yeah, and definitely, well, you said you had some vibrations in the drive shaft, and obviously this is still a two-piece drive shaft, so.
Yeah, I haven't gone that far with the build yet. So.
Yeah, with the power that you're building, you're probably gonna end up having to put one in. But honestly, like, for driving it, I didn't feel any vibration at all.
No, and like I said, today we creeped up to like 9 pounds of boost because of the weather. I have it on wastegate right now, which is 7 pounds, but you get cold weather like this, good boost weather, it's gonna creep up. So I creeped it to about 9 pounds and I didn't feel anything. Steve drove the hell out of it too. There's some shots of him running it on my camera. I'll probably give her his video. But yeah, I mean, we're just checking it out, and I appreciate everyone's hospitality here in PA so far. So
absolutely. This is what us car guys do. We come, you can drop your car off at my house and I'll play with it anytime.
Yes, right. Same here, yeah. When I get a house. Right now I'm homeless, but no,
that's all good.
Yeah. Everyone like with the military moves, like it's usually about 2 months of you being displaced, and then everything gets back to normal. So I'm looking forward to getting back to normal for sure.
Definitely. No, it's going to be awesome. And then you get to do the house build as well.
Yeah.
So definitely subscribe to Determined Veteran so you can go check out his new place. It looks pretty awesome from the pictures I saw.
Yeah, it looks good from 10 feet away.
Well, I mean, hey, you got the space, now you just got to put in whatever you want.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely.
So since Jack is a Ford guy now, even though he used to have a Z01, we got to take him for a little rip in the Raptor.
I want to tell you, it's colder than it looks on camera.
It's not even cold. See, Fords are all the same. They stall.
I think I should put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, we'll be all right. You can put your seatbelt on if you want to. I'll never discourage safety around here. Or lack thereof.
Lack thereof.
I really got to put a IAC in this thing. I think the deer have been patting this down. I've never really been through this way.
Holy,
But maybe we can make it through. I don't know. Oh, I think we found a tree.
I think we one more. This is utterly ridiculous.
Trust me. Like I know $100,000 Mustang will put a smile on your face. This old piece of junk put a lot of smiles on everybody's face. We're clearing a little bit of bush here.
Oh, that wouldn't have been good for the paint.
Paint? I don't even have front fenders.
I'll tell you for my truck.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh,
We're clearing bush here.
Oh my God.
Clearing it out.
Oh, it's so nasty.
We need to make room so we
it's
can
gonna
make a
whiplash
muffet.
into me.
Okay, watch your eyes.
You crazy son of a.
These vines are really strong.
Oh, gee. Oh, this poor thing, man. And like you see him do stupid crap on camera, and then you're in person, you're like, oh my God, ah! I'm good. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'll put on my eye pros, man.
It's not as scary as the COVID. Come on.
No, yeah, the Chinese virus will get you for
China
sure.
virus will get you. See, I don't know if we'll make it through this way because this tree's a little bit stout, but
Oh, I don't know.
this thing is a quite the beast.
Steve is. Oh, I should have the camera on earlier for that, but all right. Ah. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh! This is so much fun. Yeah, I do like my Mustang, but this Ford is putting a smile on my face for sure.
This thing.
Here's his dirt path right here.
This is where the bonfire pit's going to be eventually.
Oh, okay.
See what we got going on over here.
Oh, he's actually gonna go through it. Oh my God, this is so much fun. There's like really bad decisions being made today.
Always. See, I don't think we could. I've never made it through this way before, but maybe we can make a hole. What do you think?
Oh, we'll try. There's like a gigantic tree there, though.
I know.
Don't hit that
We gotta
son of
go
a.
around it.
Yeah.
We're close.
We're close.
There we go.
Oh my God, I'm loving PA so far.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
My trail used to go through here. I only had the side-by-side through here before.
Oh wow.
The mud pit's gonna be over there where those trees are.
Right?
So I'm gonna have to pull them out.
You'll wait till it's springtime when it thaws out.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna make it through this. What do you think? I've never been through this with a truck before.
Go for it. Oh, oh, we made it.
Are you starting to be a believer? Is this not a Raptor or what?
It's definitely a Raptor.
See, I'm telling you, like this thing, the vacuum system doesn't work on it. So the four-wheel drive went out. We almost went in the creek with it because it had two-wheel drive and it was really slick. So there's actually a vice grip holding the four-wheel drive actuator on the front diff in. So it's pretty solid.
This is
we've definitely made some new trails today.
absolutely.
So I'm pretty happy about that.
Happy trails.
You can get F-150 down it. You can get Perner anything down.
Yeah, this is. And we're gonna be putting new wheels on this bastard today. So
Yeah. So these tires and wheels are basically just factory. One of them's coming apart, which is pretty ugly. So we're gonna try to be going a different direction with our wheel and tire package on this Ford Raptor SVT, and hopefully we can.
and you actually saved the decal. You scratched it in the paint.
I drew it on with a paint marker.
There you go.
That's pretty much all you got to do.
That's funny.
There's a big log in here though too.
That's the log.
I've been stuck on it before, so I don't want to take that chance again.
Jesus. Oh my God. And Steve's got his GoPro running, so we're gonna be able to blend this footage so well
Oh yeah.
between POV views. I cannot believe.
It makes weird noises in the cold weather. It kinda
Ah, it's
squeals.
fine. It's
I don't
fine.
know about these. vines. All right, we're in eco mode right now.
Yeah, this is pretty entertaining.
See, I wasn't sure if it would make it up this or not.
Oh my god! He just tried to go through this big ass.
I still have faith.
All right, send it.
I might fall out the door.
Oh jeez.
I'm gonna hold on.
See?
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
I just didn't want to slide sideways into the shop.
Yeah, that would be a bad thing. Could you imagine, like, going to your wife after this and be like, "Honey, guess what happened?" So
That's
Jack
like-
and I were in the truck,
We
and then
smashed into the
then we
shop.
smashed into the shop. I hope you're not mad. Please don't be mad at me. All right, go for it. This is your chance to be an internet star, Steve. Don't screw it up.
I feel like we need an outside shot on this one.
Yep. All right, I'm gonna get out. If he dies, I'll run for the house. Wait, wait.
It's really not gonna look as steep on camera. Ready?
We're good. Oh, he made it! Ah, I fell apart. Ah, we're good. Oh my God! How do you feel after that?
I feel like I've just accomplished something.
That's good.
I didn't think I could, so.
It's always good. Like I see the trucks sticking together pretty good.
We got a little high center, but you did pretty good.
She did pretty good. Yeah.